Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Zillion gift card on Amazon using an easy step-by-step method so you can turn your rewards into anything you want on the Amazon marketplace. It is important to know that you cannot use a Zillion card directly at the Amazon checkout like a regular credit card. Instead, you have to use the Zillion website to exchange your balance for an official Amazon e-gift card first. The first step is to head over to zillionsgift.com and sign in using the details from your card. If you have a physical card, you will need to enter the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the security code you have found on the back. If you receive a digital card, you can just click the link in your email to log in automatically. Once you are signed in, you will see a large catalog of brands available for redemption. Look for Amazon in the list and you are signed in. You will see a large catalog of brands available for redemption. Look for Amazon in the list and select it. You can choose to use your entire balance or just a portion of it to purchase an Amazon voucher. After you confirm your selection, the Amazon e-gift card code will be sent to you to your email address almost instantly. Once you have a code from the email, you need to add it to your Amazon account so it can be used for shopping. Open the Amazon app or website, go to your account settings, and look for the section labeled Gift Cards. Click on Redeem Gift Card and carefully type in the claim code you received from Zillion. After you hit apply, your balance, the funds will be added to your account immediately. These funds will never expire and they will stay in your